So what is sourcing management and sourcing itself? Sourcing management is identifying and assessing potential suppliers and selecting and engaging with an appropriate supplier who offer the best value. So we will be sourcing suppliers, products, services, technologies for the company. So we have to evaluate the supply market, develop and execute a strategy. Let's say if you have some items that you order frequently, you will try to put on a strategy to find suppliers who can provide this item, and make sure they have available stock at all time. If this item is frequently used and you need it in a very frequent basis, maybe on monthly basis, maybe on weekly basis. So this way, when you source a supplier who has this item, you can source more than one supplier, maybe 2 or 3 suppliers who have available stock for these items, in order to engage with them for any future orders, to ensure the availability and business continuity in your organization, so you don't have to run out, or your project won't stop if you need these items for such project. So when you have a list of suppliers available upon request to provide such products for you, it will show how professional you are as a procurement professional, who can assess the requirements for his organization, and make sure the items that they need, it's available at all time, or at least in a very will be provided in a very short lead delivery time. um, so you will do also the negotiation with the supplier, and develop the agreement with them, and regarding these items, you just give them a bill of quantity for things that you need and you use frequently. This way you can ensure these items will be available with these suppliers. Developing the contract will facilitate the process of ordering from these suppliers. When you have a fixed price, when you make a contract with big quantity, so you can get the best value for these items, and you will not waste time issuing purchase orders. As long as you have a valid contract, you can just ask the suppliers to deliver directly based on the contract, and the purchase order can follow when you have urgent orders. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.